Hey guys, welcome back. It's amitroid and I'm Amit. And now let's talk about the ROM. Now this ROM is ported from Asus Max Pro M2 and it is based on Android 5 for our Redmi Note 5 Pro. So the overall daily driver performance, it's good. It's pretty good. As of now, since I'm using this ROM from yesterday. And the first thing first, the battery backup, it's pretty good. At the end of the day, I got 30% left battery in my phone. So you can charge it and make it for a whole day. You can use it easily. And now talking about the camera, as the stock camera, it is pretty amazing. And if you use the Asus phone, it's pretty much a pure stock experience. Now as camera 2 API is enabled and you can test it through the app. And also you can, guys, the Pixel 3 camera is better than the stock, as the results of HDR plus processing photos are pretty amazing and better than the stock camera. So now talking about the bugs, it is a bugless ROM. Literally, there is no bug that can be issue for a daily driver use. So talking about the activating dark theme, like the Android 1 problem, you can see if you watch my last video, you know about that. So there is no bug. You can easily activate the dark theme by just tapping on the theme button and dark theme. So now let's talk about it installation process. So for this, you have to power off your phone and boot it into TWRP. Now for booting into TWRP, you have to tap and hold the power button and the volume up button simultaneously. Now let's just wait for the boot into TWRP. Now as you can see that I'm using Orange Fox Recovery Project, is one of the best TWRP. So before doing anything, make sure you make a backup of your current ROM or any of your data files and everything, because for this ROM you need to change your file system, as I told in my last video. Just going to wipe, advanced wipe, click on data partition option, check if the file system is F2FS, then click on change FS and click on ext4 and swipe to change. Now I can't do that because I don't have any backup right now. So now if you have a ext4, you don't need to do that. So just click on home and install. No, before installing that, wipe, advanced wipe, Talvik, cache, data, system and vendor. You don't need to wipe your internal storage. So swipe to wipe. So before doing all this, just download the file that I give in the description before anything, because it's important. So now click on home button and now install and choose that file that you downloaded. I think it's right here in the download section. Yeah, Max Pro M2, this file. So I have to install. Now just let's wait for completing the installation process. Now as you can see that the installation is complete. Now before doing anything, I just forgot to tell you about, before installing this file or this ported ROM, make sure your firmware version is 9.3.14, which is based on Oreo. It's important for these ported ROM. All of the ported ROM, they are only work if you have the firmware 9.3.14. It is based on Oreo. I just give you the link in the description. So now you can see that the installation process is complete. Just click on reboot system. Now you can see that the Zenfone animation, boot animation. Now you can see that the phone is finally booted up. Now if you go to the settings, tap on system, gestures. Now you can see that the gestures are available: Zen motion, double tap to turn off or double tap to wake up. You can turn them on, fully working. The pie gestures, fully working. Now you can see that it's pretty much a pure stock experience. There is nothing much of customization. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel, and see you guys in the next video.